Oh, my loyal subscribers, all 40 of you. Cows are out here. Cabin's the same, haven't touched it, been too busy. Some stuff laying out here. Look at what happened in the storm, holy cow. This is a big tree. Let me get to the trunk, to the base. It's the old cottonwood. Oh man. This was a big tree. This could have easily crushed the cabin. Gosh darn it. Slippery. Might help if I had both hands. Ooh. This is a big one. Make no mistake. Oh man, she was rotten in the middle. That's why it went down. Probably some raccoons living in it. Whew, I just about fell down there. Boy, I bet that was a wild ride for them. If there were. Dang. This one right here is also dead. I mean, I don't know if it shows up on camera how big this thing is. That's my foot. There's the cabin. That could have been super bad. Well, at least we don't have to worry about it falling on the cabin. I'm always optimistic. Look on the bright side, right? Anyway, let's check all them cows. How many is there? 1, 2, 3. We got at least 3. All right. Yeah, that's probably a 10-foot jump. I'm not gonna do that. Let me show you a view from the bottom. Maybe not 10 foot, 8 foot. I can walk under it. Maybe that's not a good idea. The fucker I'll let go. And you'll find my phone laying next to me and you can play this video. Dang. Dang. Gall darn. That's all I gotta say. Anyway. Let's see how many of these cows we got. All right, I'm gonna start counting. See ya. Found the cows. They're in the tree. I thought it'd be a quick shot for the exiting sequence. Also, I figured I better take a good thumbnail of like me standing underneath it or something for all my loyal subscribers. Tree almost crushed by, or cabin almost crushed by tree? What? Anyway, I'll have to try and do that. There she is.